Hello, little explorers! Today, we're going to visit a wonderful place full of amazing animals, the farm! On the farm, we can find many different animals. Each one has something special to offer. Cows give us delicious milk. Farmers milk the cows every day so we can enjoy milk, cheese, and yogurt. Chickens lay eggs for us to eat. We collect the eggs from their nests and use them to make tasty dishes like scrambled eggs and cakes.
Pigs love to roll in the mud to stay cool. They are very smart animals and enjoy playing and eating lots of yummy food. Sheep have thick, woolly coats. Farmers shear the wool off the sheep and use it to make warm clothes and blankets. Horses are strong and fast. They help farmers with work around the farm and also love to give us fun rides.
Goats are very playful and love to climb. They give us milk, just like cows. And sometimes we make cheese from goat milk. Farmers work hard every day to take care of all the animals. They feed them, keep them clean, and make sure they stay healthy. Farm animals are amazing and help us in so many ways. Let's appreciate and take care of them, just like the farmers do. Thanks for visiting the farm with us. See you next time.